Yo, we have a lot of stuff to do to the Subi today, guys. I'm actually super stoked. I have a few things to actually unbox and go through. Go grab yourself a cup of coffee, sit back and enjoy the vlog because we have lots to do today and I'm excited to get on this. Setting aside the couple things that we have to actually unbox, let's move into the Subi and let me show you something real fast. Since I let my wheels sit in the garage for a while, they lost a little bit of air pressure in them, and with the cold weather changing, that is also an effect on wheels with losing air. So I actually have my light on right now, my tire pressure light, and as you can see, if you hit this, it says low tire pressure. So guys, I'm gonna have to put some air in my tires, but before we continue this video, let's go ahead and let's get to today's sponsor, right after we pop the hood. Today's video is sponsored by GrimmSpeed. This is their website right here. Very easy and very user-friendly. Scrolling down just a little bit, you can see everything they offer for every vehicle they offer it for, okay? It looks like they expand out of the Subarus over here into the Ford Focus RSs and STs. Today, we are going to be in the 2015 Plus WRX. In each section, they offer great quality parts, from boost controllers to hello horns to GrimmSpeed fender shrouds. Scrolling down just a little bit more, you guys notice they offer the GrimmSpeed pitch mount. This is actually what we're gonna be installing today. This is a very nice product, very high quality, and I honestly can't wait to start digging into it and seeing the results of the installment. Scrolling down on the product that you decide to look at or purchase, they give you some quick information, some quick specs, and some fitment if you are curious. Let's go ahead, let's start unboxing this so you guys can see the actual quality of this product. Okay, so I struggled a little bit, but I got it open. This is definitely not how you open it, but for some reason, I just struggled a little bit. All right, guys, this is a little embarrassing. Let's just skip to the next part. See, the pitch mount is in amazing packaging. This just shows you how much GrimmSpeed actually cares about their products, guys. Everything that I've got from them, from my whole engine bay to this product right here, I can already tell you how amazing it is. GrimmSpeed is lit. Further opening the pitch stop mount right here. Holy crap. I'm not gonna lie, that was bigger than I thought. But check this out, guys. Here is the final reveal of the pitch stop mount, everybody. This looks amazing. Look at this thing. Now the black middle section right here is actually made out of billet aluminum, machined for the awesome look that it has with these cut out circles and weight savings. They do take their aluminum and they hit it with an anodized coating. This is gonna help to stand up to the high heat and elements in the engine bay. Looking at these awesome red colored bushings, these are 80 Duramater bushings. These bushings are actually very strong, but they just have enough give to make sure that you do not have that harsh ride. Guys, the last thing about this GrimmSpeed is if you notice, there's a logo on this side with the actual GrimmSpeed name itself, and then if you look on this side, it's the GrimmSpeed logo. Now this gives you the option to install it like this with the logo facing up, or you can flip it around and have it actually say GrimmSpeed itself. I'm not exactly sure which side I'm going to end up with facing upwards, but I think once I get it into the car, which reminds me, this is a very, very easy install. So if you guys just follow along, you'll be able to do this yourselves. This product is good for most Subarus from 02 to 20. So you guys can all do this mod with me. All right, let's install it. We need to remove the top mount. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna be needing for the install. It's very simple. A 12mm socket, a 14mm socket, a 14mm wrench, flathead, and an extension. All right, boys, let's go. Guys, it has definitely been a few videos since we have modded the Subi, so I'm super excited to install this, guys. I'm gonna start taking off the top mount intercooler as we speak. Let's dive into it. There's a few bolts you just need to remove first. This is a very simple install, so if you just follow along, you will see that you could simply do it yourself in probably 30 to 40 minutes, okay, guys? So you take this bolt off right here. It is a 14mm, and then come over to this side and get this 14mm bolt out, and then we'll move on from there. Yo, my bad, everybody. This is definitely a 12mm bolt, not the 14. Yo guys, I just actually got off the phone with Cordell. He's gonna slide and he's gonna come help me install this pitch stop mount, so then I'll have an extra hand so we can make this content even more better for you. Mo better. In the meantime, guys, I'm gonna continue on this. Guys, coming down to the driver's side, as you can see, this is the first bolt up here that I had you guys take out. Now, if you look, it's actually a bracket. So in moving down, there's two more bolts right here. I'm gonna be taking these out, and then the bracket should come loose and it should come free. Just take those bolts out and set them aside. Okay, guys, believe it or not, the top mount intercooler, often abbreviated as the TMIC, top mount intercooler, or you can have a front mount intercooler, which is often referred to as the FMIC, front mount intercooler, guys. Okay, this is gonna be a lot nicer if you guys do have a front mount intercooler because it will already be exposed. Now let me just kind of show you. All that's left is loosening up this clamp right here and this clamp right here. With the bracket bolts being removed, this bolt over here being removed, and these two loosened, we can go ahead and we can wiggle the intercooler out. And then as we start to take the intercooler out, it's gonna be kind of difficult, okay? You're gonna have to kind of scoot it this way, scoot it this way, scoot it this way. Make sure, pop that side off first, and then scoot it this way and pop that side off. So you kind of just have to wiggle it and mess with it, but you will eventually get it. So just keep trying at it. All right, so this is kind of the terrible part right here. This is the part that you don't look forward to. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this side of the intercooler, you're gonna grab this side of the intercooler, and you're just gonna start wiggling it until you feel something pop. So you kind of just wiggle it back and forth. All right, so this right side just popped off. Now I'm gonna go more this way and try to get this side off. All right, this side's being a little bit of a bugger. I almost got it, don't worry. It's coming. Ah. All right, boys, the intercooler is free. That is all it took. I just about popped some blood vessels in my brain trying so hard, but guys, it just broke loose. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Boom. Okay, everybody, here is the stock top mount intercooler or T-Mic for the 2016 Subaru WRX. Now, as you guys can see, that's not too thick and it's not too big, so we are definitely gonna be upgrading that soon. Okay, I just went ahead, I set the intercooler to the side right here. Now, this is what it looks like when you don't have a top mount intercooler. So this is kind of cool looking, opens up a lot more. You can see the transmission. This is the pitch stop that we are going to be replacing. Now, when we're upgrading to the GrimmSpeed one, you can see the quality difference and how much it's going to change. So let's get this one out. Now you're going to be using your socket and your open end wrench to take these out, and then there's one more behind. So really it's that one and this one. Let's go ahead and remove that. This is when you're going to be switching to the 14mm open end wrench and the 14mm socket. And let's go ahead, let's start cranking out those two bolts and we'll remove the stock pitch stop mount. Guys, one thing to be careful about, do not forget the washers when you take out the bolt, because you're gonna want to reuse those. Set this aside, let's go to the back one. It's just a bolt on the back because the nut is actually part of the bracket. As you guys will notice that when you get in here, you only need the socket for this side and then you'll be good to go. That's what the back one looks like. Once again, don't lose your washers. Okay, everybody, we got those removed. As you can see, it's all loose. It should just come right out if we pull just a little bit. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh, that is ugly. Actually, I need that. Are you freaking serious? How am I gonna get that? I'm pretty sure you guys were not expecting today's video to be fishing a stock pitch stop out of my front yard, out of the snow. I'm fishing a pitch stop out of my front yard in the snow. I've never fished in the snow before. But as you guys see, we cannot get the kicks wet in the snow, especially with the leather, because if you get leather wet, it starts to crease, and we don't mess with the crease. We are reaching out for the pitch stop. Come on. Guys, I think I got it. Oh my god. That is how you fish a pitch stop mount out of the snow, boys. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's set these up next to each other so you guys can see the quality difference. Now, this is seriously straight plastic. By upgrading to the GrimmSpeed pitch stop, you're gonna see an increase in design. Obviously, it looks amazing and 3 times more beautiful. It's beautiful. My boy! What up, dude? Dude, I was actually just about to install this, so you showed up at the right time. All right, bro, so check it out. This is what we're installing today. Oof, it's pretty lit, huh?
Oh, that's like quality.
Actually, dude, that's what I'm saying, dude. I know. Look at the stock one. Look at the stock one, bro. That is like ugly to like glamorous.
Bro, throw that in the trash.
Dude, I already threw it in the lawn. I threw it in the lawn and I was fishing it out right there. Isn't that lit though? Yes. So this is what's dope about it is I can choose to have that up or flip it or the GrimmSpeed logo.
Bro,
dude, I think I like that.
Bro, right here, because you already got a lot of GrimmSpeed.
Oh.
Bro,
That is true.
It's just subtle.
And you know what? Everybody that I've seen install it, especially,
runs that way?
yep, runs it this way.
Bro.
So I think we're gonna be different, bro. And we're running it that way.
We got enough. Let's
We
throw
got
the
enough.
logo up in there.
All right, dude, we're gonna do the logo up. I'm
looks
so down.
fresh.
Dude, isn't that freaking clean though? Yeah. You know
this
what? Bring
is
that
good.
over here. Just bring that over here. Throw it right in this as freaking fast as you can. I don't ever want to see that. I'm gonna hand this over to you. You got this. You freaking got this. All right, go ahead, bro. I'm just kidding. Right here, dude. So here's the back one.
What you talking about?
Goes in that way because the nut's already like part of the frame right there.
Yeah.
And then here's the front ones. So
You said this was the back or the front? Where's the back?
no, that's the back. Yep.
This one?
Yep. Perfect.
Smooth fit.
Smooth fitment. That's what's up, GrimmSpeed. Y'all are doing it right. I'm not even filming.
You're not even.
Hold up. Guys, I think I just went 20 minutes without filming, but I didn't realize my camera wasn't filming. I hate that, dude.
Oh, bro, that's
Yeah, dude, I
sick.
changed it, bro. Isn't that lit?
It's hella lit.
What am I doing? This is not cooperating too well. This front bolt is getting a little stuck, but we're gonna get it in here.
Get a little hammer.
Okay.
Get a little tap tap.
Little tap tap. You know, I'm trying to think if we put the right bolt in the right section, but I'm pretty sure we did.
Hopefully.
All right, we're diving back into this. For real though. All right. Honestly, I don't know why it was really snug, but it just took a little bit of hammering. We just nudged it right in and it went right through. So now let's put the bolts on and then we should be good to go to fully tighten it down. Don't forget the washers I was telling you all about, okay? Now let me throw the nut on this side. I'm gonna hand tighten it as much as I can and then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this bad boy down. Is this the 14? I feel like I'm literally swimming on my engine bay right now.
Bro, I'm surprised you're wearing white.
I'm wearing white, bro. Like it's gonna be dirty after this no matter what. But honestly, it's okay. It was worth it. If this is loosening, I'm about to smack someone. Through, bro. I was filming on my tripod. Dude,
Oh,
I was gonna unbox the new tripod. Bro.
Send it back in.
All right, so next video, I actually talked about it in the beginning of the video, guys. I actually got a new tripod, but you know what? I think I'm just gonna have to unbox that the next video. I mean, it's nothing too crazy, but I still want to show you. Boom! GrimmSpeed, y'all are lit. Let me grab a rag. Oh, I have one. I was about to drink my coffee again. I just drank my coffee, but it's been sitting out in this 32-degree weather, and it was cold as shit. The new GrimmSpeed pitch stop mount, guys. I'm so hyped about it. It's looking fresh. I mean, I have a top mount, so you're not gonna be able to see it, but as soon as we do go front mount, which Cordell, you're gonna have to help me do that.
I got you.
Cause bro, we're gonna be cutting my front bumper and I'm already tripping about that. I'm just gonna be like, do it. I'm not gonna look, you're gonna have to do it. But guys, until then, this bad boy is gonna be covered up, but I'm gonna know it's there. In my heart, I'm gonna know it's there, and I'm gonna know I have GrimmSpeed in the heart and soul of this doobie. This is the final product, guys. I'm super hyped about it. I really just don't even wanna put on my top mount. Should we just leave it? Gang, bro. That looks dope. On a scale of 1 to 10, like, what do you think about it?
Yo, it's sick. I love it.
I would say that's definitely a 10 out of 10. Dude, look at the design. It's just like they do this stuff with it. You know what I mean? The holes.
Oh,
They just
yeah.
coordinate everything together. So like, it's just GrimmSpeed's, they're geniuses up in there. Bro, they haven't even seen your whip. Dude, check this out. The Volkswagen.
The Volkswagen.
And it's got some lit wheels on it. But hey, I'm not gonna lie. Our boy might be copping an FRS. And it's gonna be stick.
Coming soon.
Coming soon! Actually, we're gonna go for a BRZ, but maybe an FRS, maybe BRZ. Whatever happens, happens, and then you guys are just gonna have more lit content, so facts and stay tuned. I think I should take a picture of it real fast. Then it will last longer. New screensaver so I can look at it every day.
Down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. When I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. No, I don't gotta choose sides. No, I ain't gotta choose sides. Oh no, still gotta rep mine.
It's time to put this back in the Subaru. If you check this out over here, I was looking at the top mount intercooler. We coming straight from Japan. All right, let's put this back in. So pretty much all you have to do is take everything we did and reverse it now. So now just put everything back together. That bolt goes right here.
To hold what?
Oh, the bracket. I forgot the bracket. Fuck the bracket. Oh my God. I forgot to put the bracket on. Don't forget the bracket. He's like, what do I screw it into? Oxygen. All right, guys, Cordell is finishing up that side. It is fully installed. That is the GrimmSpeed pitch stop mount. My camera died, but it's okay because Cordell has the same camera. So I was able to cop his battery. In the process of that, I realized I'm like bleeding hysterically and I didn't even know it. So, GrimmSpeed, you're gonna have to send some band-aids now. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's roll today's FCC, guys. I'm just gonna plug one of your guys' clips. Here we go.
Big body Benz blowing gas out the roof. Nigga think it's sweet until I punched him in his tooth.